Hi. I know it doesn't seem like it, but it's been a while since the last time I recorded, and I have some few updates. And those updates are, well, something to be mildly cautious of. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just cautious. Let's get into the video, shall we? Hi. So, to quickly give you notice, on my life, I got a job. This is my third week. I'm so sorry, third week in the job. It's going to be tomorrow. I don't know what to think about it. I'm just going to be mildly optimistic. I'm going to see what happens if I get to the 3-month trial period. And after that, I might give you an update on that. I'm just not sure nor confident in what to think or say. Not only because I have a contract that has like regulations on what you can say or not about your client. I'm not only that, but I don't have a formed opinion yet, like an educated opinion. So I would like to wait and see what what to think about it. Until then, that's kind of the update. Yeah, that's kind of the update. Unemployment at last. It's over. As per usual, I'm kind of the people who are very cautious with news, especially because I've been 2 weeks on it already, and there have been up moments and there have been really down moments, like really down. It's just, I want to remain cautious before anything and not to make haste in making an opinion. I think I should need more time and knowledge to know whether I should have an opinion that can be, valid on that. I just want to be safe before jumping into conclusions. It's just, I don't even think I have had like a honeymoon period with this job. So I don't know if I'm getting old or is it, you know, that it's that bad. It's just, let's wait and see. If I make it to the 3-month trial period, I mean, let you know. What about it? Very careful on those words. If I make it to the 3-month trial period, that's awesome. That's, mm, that's just so sweet, so delightful. Yeah, but that's a good news. Yeah, I'm getting paid. I have salaries, or at least a stable one. I'm so sorry. My neighbors decided to start construction apparently. So yeah, that's something. That's news. That's news. Let's stay positive about it as per usual, but cautious, like with a cautious positivity, with a realistic positivity. And yeah, what's the kind of things you hold a realistic positivity onto? I tend to do that with jobs and people. Like when I meet someone new, I tend to be a realistic positivist. I try to be positive about it, but I'm also very realistic and I always stick to it, listening to my gut feeling, what it says to me about that person. If my niggling feeling in the gut is telling me something, I listen to it. I just listen to it. I allow myself to be a somewhat positivist, somewhat optimistic about it, but within a realistic spectrum of things, of expectations. I'm probably overthinking, but I'm also feeling throughout the way. The thing is not just about thinking, it's also about feeling. And I try to do both in a balanced manner, not to allow myself to be carried away by either or. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. See you when it comes to this topic in about 3 months. I'm going to let you know. But until then, yeah. What are you realistically positivist about? Optimistic about? Realistically optimistic about? Yeah, I would like to know about that. Yeah, and I don't think I have much more to say about my job. Because that's something that has been a big topic for the past 2 years. Since I started the channel, every now and then I mention my unemployment, so I just kind of wanted to bring it up, just to update you. If, why not, Thank you for your time, for your patience, and yeah, let me know. Me, on the other hand, I'm going to try to keep myself busy and optimistic and realistic and with my eyes wide open. So yeah, until next time, bye bye. Oh, 3 kisses. You got extra today. Bye.